Hi there. I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to get the most out of your new grapevine. The first thing you want to do is acquire yourself about a 16-quart bag of topsoil. If you open up your grow bag that your grapevine came in, you'll find a coupon for $10 from Blue Seal in Milford, and that's plenty of money needed to buy yourself a bag of topsoil. When you open up the grow bag, you also find the Niagara Grape. You open up the plastic bag and you'll find newspaper wrapped around a beautiful root structure of a Niagara grape. One of the first things you want to do is make sure all that newspaper is off those beautiful roots. You also want to make sure that in advance you have a pail of water ready to go, because you want to drop that vine in the pail of water and let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes and let those roots get reinvigorated with water and ready for planting. So here we go, we're going to drop it right in. Now while we're waiting those 15 to 20 minutes, we can get the grow bag ready with the soil. So I'm going to pour about 2 inches of soil in the base of the grow bag. Now I'm not going to put rocks in the bottom of this or any kind of structural thing. I really want to fill it in with soil because that is going to be where the roots are going to grow. I don't want to complicate it with stones. So there you go. You have 2 inches of soil or so. And now I'm going to go back and grab that grapevine and drop it right into that soil. So there it is. It's the vine and its roots are down into the soil and into the grow bag. Now I'm not going to press down that hard, but I am going to make sure that the vine and its roots are down at the bottom before I pour in the remainder of the soil. I'm going to press, though, once the soil is all in there, I'm going to press that soil down and make sure that there's no air pockets between the roots and the soil. And once that's done, I'll put a little plate below it to be able to capture any excess water while I'm doing watering over the next month or month and a half before it's ready to be planted in your yard. And that's it. It's that simple. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or send me an email. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy your new grapevine.